Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a very simple, tasty vegetarian pasta salad. So for this recipe you're going to need some pasta. I've got macaroni pasta here. I'll probably use half a packet of this. You can use any pasta shapes that you like. I've got some feta cheese here. I like these because they come with olives and a little bit of dressing. I've got 2 packets of those. I've got 1 green pepper, 1 red pepper, a tin of sweet corn and 1 whole cucumber, and we're going to need around 3 to 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. So I'm just going to boil the pasta and then let it cool, and in the meantime I'll chop up all the vegetables. So here are all the ingredients chopped up, and the pasta has been cooked and cooled, so I'm just going to mix it all together. So this is the finished vegetarian pasta salad. It's brilliant for lunches, snacks, especially good for parties as well. If it's a little bit dry, you can add a little bit more mayonnaise, and you could add other things if you like extra olives, extra vegetables, and also tuna and chicken are also good additions to this pasta salad. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's very easy to make, and it's very delicious. It's always something that my kids really enjoy, especially my daughter who's a vegetarian. So if you did like this video, I'd love it if you would subscribe and leave some comments down below for further videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.